Hello friends, welcome to the new segment of videos. This tutorial is for those who want to learn something different and innovative using HTML, CSS and the images only. So basically I am using two images and will create a raining scene in which it will look like it's actually raining. So let's start. First we have to create a HTML file which contains an div with a class rain. So first of all we have to create a new file which will contain all the HTML tags. So I'm creating this and saving this file first as rain.html and writing down the other necessary tags. So first the head tag, and then we will link a file which is rain.css and the relation is style sheet. This rain.css file doesn't exist right now, but we will create this file after completing this HTML file. So body, and this body will contain only one div which will have a class equals to rain. So that's all for this HTML file, and now we will create a CSS file. So before starting we have to give the default settings. So we are providing padding 0 and margin 0. So this is the basic setting, and we are providing a background image also. So background, and the URL of the image is download.jpg. Actually this file already exists in my PC, and I will provide this image download link in the description box also. So saving this file as rain.css, and I'm providing the width and the height of the background also. So background size will be 100% and 100%. That means 100% height and 100% width. And saving this file and save this file and open the folder where we have saved this file. So rain.html is our file, and when we open this file, a background image that we have, this is our download.jpg file. So this is the background. Now what we have to do, we just have to put a rain image on this image. So for that I'm creating the CSS properties for rain class that we have provided to a div in body. So sorry, this rain.css, this rain will have properties like background, and it will have a background. So URL is rain1.png. This is a PNG file which I have already downloaded, and I will provide the download link for this file also in description. And the background size will be cover, or we can write 100% also. So, and we also have to provide a height. So at start we will provide this height 100%, and animation that will run to create a raining scene. Animation, our animation will run for 0.3 seconds. The name of animation will be rain, and it will be linear, and it will run for infinite time also. So that's all for this rain class. Now we are creating before. So what will happen before this animation will run? So before, and this before will have, so this before will have content to empty. So that's all for this rain class. Now I'm creating a rain before. So what will happen before this animation starts? So this this will have content as empty, the height will be 100% and width is 100%, and we have to provide a background also. So background will be white and the opacity will be 0. So that's all for this rain before, and now I'm creating the animation also by using keyframes. The name of animation will be rain and it will have only 2 points. First point is at 0%. At 0% the background position will be 0% and 100%. So these are the two coordinates or 2 points. For first is for top and second is for left, and second for 100% we will change the background position to 100% and 0%. So that's all for this. Now when we save this file and open the browser again and refresh this file, so this is our raining scene and it looks very beautiful. But what happens if we do not start the animation, or our animation time will be more than 0.3 seconds? So let you know what happens. So I'm providing, suppose, not 0.3 seconds, providing 3 seconds. So the speed of the rain will be very slow. So this is the rate speed, and it differs if we change this animation time. So for 1 second, for point up, and if we provide 0.1 second, then the rain speed will be very fast. And that's all for this video, and thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more tricks using HTML, CSS, and please share, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.